May profits be upon you. I hope your day was outstanding. It should have been if you would have watched my last video, my prior video to this one, where I did the live analysis. I woke up, I came to the charts. I said, let me get this on video so that I could share it with my subscribers so you can kind of see what my morning process is. Looking at the charts, looking at a fresh chart, nice and naked, bare, and marked it up nice, right? And this is the result. All right. Now, let me break it down real quick. All right. What did I see? I saw this head and shoulders formation. This is London. This is New York. New York is coming in. You know, I look for my bus every morning when New York opens, right? So what did I see? Let's get a closer look at this. We're on the 3-minute right now. All right. And what I saw was the formation here. We broke this this low here. This is actually a break of actual structure here because this is more than 2 candles on the pullback, and we broke the highs here. So on the way down, I see the break of structure and the return to impulse. Now, normally I would take my entry right around here, all right, because I always look to see if price is going to come back and retest the right shoulder or the head, right? But because we came in so hot on this bullish candle, I was like, oh, it might go all the way up. Why? Because there was relative equal highs up here, and price likes to raid those, likes to run those highs for that liquidity and then go the other way, right? And I wasn't even sure if it was going to go the other way because it was coming in so hot. So once it got up here and I saw it turning and it formed this bearish engulfer, I said, okay, we should be good. So I should have got in here upon the retest. Let me see if I can get in a little closer so that you can see a little better. All right. I always look for a retest of the bearish engulfer, this bearish order block form. The retest came, I was not there. All right. Why? Because we were so close to the New York Open, I had the heebie-jeebies. I said, price is going to set up. It's going to set up for this. It may come back up here and retest here. Then, then I was like, okay, well, that'd be all right if it does that, because if it does, I'll get in now as it's descending. I said, I'll get in right here. And that's what I did. I got in right here, even though it was like 5 minutes before New York Open, where the volume push would come in. I said, I'll just add another position if it comes up here, right? And it dropped, all right? Breaking this low here, breaking this low, breaking this short-term low. So I'm looking for a return to impulse. And as it got up here, I said, I should have waited in the first dang place. I knew better anyway. That's me cussing myself out, right? This was the optimal entry, all right? And I got in lower and I left it as it was because if price was gonna see how hot it came in, I was thinking, you know what? If it goes on through and takes out these relative highs over here, I might be in trouble. Well, it protected that high. I thought it might shoot on up. It didn't. So I just left my initial position as it was. Price did fall. Once it started breaking these lows, I was feeling a little better about it. And after it broke this structural point here for a break of structure, I said, okay, we're going to get a return to impulse. I'm eyeing this wick here, and I know there's a bearish order block here. So I'm waiting for price to come on up because it had reason to raid the high and then mitigate that order block and then come on down. Didn't make it all the way up there, as you can see. Came very close, but as it came up here, I was ready for a position. I said, you know what? If it goes all the way up, good. If it doesn't, I'm going to take it here. And if it goes up any further, I'll just add another small position, right? Because I believe that this may be the correct this may be one of the correct, and was near enough so I wouldn't have been a big deal for me. All right. And as it dropped, I caught it as a, I entered manually. All right. And because my pending was here, but actually it was right about here. Right. I might have had 2 pips, but it started to drop here. So I caught it on the way out, and it broke that bottom. And 3R, that's what I like to look for. I took out most of my trade there, 80 to 85, 80 to 90% today. I was 85%. I left for 15% runner. Why did I stop it here? Because I saw there was a bullish order block sitting right here on top of a 15-minute order block here. All right. So I was like, this area here concerns me. Also, I want to point out, I marked, like I showed you earlier in the previous video, I marked the London high, the Asian high, the previous daily high. All these are liquidity points. And the lows, like this London low I have here and the Asian low, I was aiming for those areas. All right. And it's because of the liquidity. I explained it in my previous video. Make sure you go check it out. All right. So you can put this whole thing together. All right. So I took most of my trade off here. All right. Price did wick down below it. Took the liquidity from these lows. Did not come down to these lows though. Ran back up, never closed below that. And I'm glad I chose that one. And as it was coming up, I was looking for price to do its thing. I just explained that. I got a second entry here, as I already went over. Price started to break these short-term lows, and then I was looking for it to break that low. It did, and I'm expecting a return to impulse, like so, and then continue lower. Aha, this one came in hot. All right, so when it came down here, as it was coming back up, I noticed that it didn't go past there, didn't go past go. I mean, it came past there, rated that low, rated the liquidity from there, and turned up. And I feared that this area had potential to reverse price. So I took most of the trade out at this point. This was well over 3 hours, like 4R by the time I got here for the second trade. And I took most of it, left that 10% runner. It ran right out to the stop sign, and then it ran up to my original trade stop sign and took me out of the trade. But I managed to take off very good profits off of this one. Very good, very good. Just notice previous daily low, previous daily high came down and used this as support, right? And where are we at here? These are the London highs. It came down, worked that London high again, came down, worked that London high again, came down, you understand? And then it rated the liquidity from up there and continued up higher, all right? Taking a long from this order block, taking a long position from here would have been very fruitful, because that was the move. It was continuing this bullish momentum, all right? But I worked the reaction off of the 15-minute order block up here. It's just a reaction. I took the pullback on that, and that worked out. You know what I mean? Now, you're saying, well, look, man, we didn't see any of this, any of this go down, all this happening over here. I could just be messing around, all right? Well, let me tell you this, all right? I'm going to show you something. In my tab at the LionsDenFX, make sure you come down and check us out at LionsDenFX. Why is it not moving? All right, you'll see on my tab, where did I put that? Is this it? No, that was yesterday. All right, is this it? Yesterday, okay. I had to put the analysis for US 30. Don't even worry about that. Okay, and all right. Is this morning? Yes, it is. Thank you. This is what I posted this morning there, just 2 minutes prior to the New York Open. All right. put it there. All right. Mark that TP was hit. The bus was on schedule. La da da. Right. And then after the second entry, and it hit that low down there and started coming up, I said, you know what? I am done for the day. All right. USR is a whole different matter. All right. I just want you to know that, you know, I'm giving you the truth here. I'm not messing around. I got no reason to try and be deceptive. Also, while I'm here, just want to show you the benefits of LionsDenFX. Where am I looking? This is Drunken Monkey. All right. This is just today. This is just today. GU hit TP3. This is from an earlier trade that he took on GU, and it just made its way down from earlier than the 15th. Matter of fact, it just kept going anyway. So he takes a long-term trade, you know. All right, and EURUSD, all that's yesterday. All right, he put out gold today. Gold TP1, TP2, hitting 70 pips. I mean, he was on fire he was just on fire. He just stays on fire. All right. This is from hits from yesterday. I mean, he's just been lighting it up. And if you want to consider the free Telegram, I'm going to show you that right now. I don't know how I can do this without. No, matter of fact, that's a interesting situation there. Let me see. How can I? Okay, I want to switch my screen that I'm sharing. All right, let me put you on pause. Yeah, this is the LionsDenFX-Free Telegram. I invite you to come on down. You'll see the link in the description. All right. You'll see, you know, we've been busy posting good stuff here, man. Drunken Monkey is very active here. And so, as you can see, so am I. I give lengthy breakdowns. I like to share with my free lions, right? And this was yesterday. And I'm taking notes and everything. You know, I'm telling them what to take notes, you know what I mean? And let's see. What is this? I'm not sure. What day is this? We're still on yesterday? How far did I go up, man? Yeah, anyway, look at Drunk. Where's Drunk at? He posted something earlier today. These are some of the good guys that we have down at LionsDenFX. All right. I posted this because I thought there was a good chance that price was going to hit my numbers there, hit those order blocks. Look at Drunk, just hot. It was hitting, running hot. All right. Just signals is going to let you know about the signals and what they cost a month if you want to take premium signals from them. All right. Anyone saw pound, you know, look at it ran 3 pips. I'd like to engage my guys over there. This is Drunken Monkey's Bitcoin hits. I mean, he's not joking around. All right. He's a very serious trader. Hey, I do the follow up here. Hey, you know, it just so happens that the trade did hit right on the button, and we went 3R, almost hit 5, looking pretty solid, right? You know, we got other members sharing stuff, and look how it ended up. We went way past 5, went all the way uptown. All right. And I shared that in the free Telegram. That was just today. Okay. All right. And I like to see other guys get busy. Look at this. Look at it. Look at this. If you would have held on to your trade, you know, in the free Telegram, you get exposed to all of that. Look at this. Lion, the King Lion. All right. Our founder. Just hot, running hot. All right, this is what he puts out in the premium membership at in our Discord. All right, this one I just threw in today. I said, this is US oil. Look at this. I put this in there today. Yes, I did. All right, and voila, 3R. Voila. It's that simple. Look what time, 11:28 a.m. All right, that's Eastern Standard. All right, throwing the video and all that good stuff. All right, if you're going to do something, man, you got to do it right. All right, threw some more analysis in there, put it up for consideration by the guys here. I'm like, what do you think? Engage with me. You know what I'm saying? You know, let's go. This is one of our members, one of the smart guys. He knows what he's doing. Anyway, that's the deal, right? Right. Okay, let me get back to what I was doing. Okay, so that's it. That's it, my people.